Are you struggling to come up with new content ideas? Well, what if I told you that with just this one simple trick using Google, you will never run out of content ideas again? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn Google into your personal content factory. You know that feeling when you sit to create but your mind is as blank as your subscriber count when you first started? Don't worry, because I'm about to blow your mind by revealing how Google, yes, the same place you go to find out,
Google, I have headache. What does it mean?
can become your ultimate content generator. Ready? Let's dive into it. Before you Google how to come up with content ideas again, but first you're gonna enlarge your screen or turn it over. So we're gonna head over to our Google and type video editing. Everything is gonna load. So scroll down to where you can see people also ask. There are some questions here, so we're gonna open each question, like how do I edit my video. As you open each question, other questions will load up. So we're gonna keep opening so that more questions will load up. And guys, you can do this with any niche. Like, you don't have to stress yourself looking for content ideas ever again. How to edit videos like a pro, we're gonna open that. Oh, can I learn video editing on my own? Yeah, how to edit videos like a pro. Yes, as you can see guys, someone has already made a video on that. Someone has already made a video answering this question. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna make videos answering the specific questions, and trust me, you are SEO optimized 100% if you do this single thing. If you do this, there are lots of questions about video editing for you to answer. Now let's search for another thing. Let's say productivity. Yeah, productivity. So let's scroll down to people also ask. Yes, there are a number of questions there. So we're gonna open each question. What is productivity in life? Okay, there are lots of questions that are gonna open up. How to increase productivity, and any niche is possible for this. Any niche, with any niche, you're good to go with this. I am taking my time to explain this because I don't want you to miss out on this simple trick. So let's head on and type fitness. Yeah, lots of questions will also load in, and we will choose what are the 10 benefits of exercise? You can see there are lots of beautiful questions. There are lots of beautiful questions anybody can choose from, and you make videos answering the specific questions. So yeah, with this simple trick, you're good to go, guys. So there you have it. With just a few smart Google tricks, you will never be left scratching your head for content ideas again. Now you're armed with the same tools the pros use, and no more blank pages again, just endless possibilities. Oh, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on more tips. Until next time, go Google your next big idea and make it happen. See ya!